Hello all, welcome back to Hyderabad Properties. All land developments in Hyderabad like open plots, villas, apartments and many more. We have come up with all the project details that are available at reasonable prices. So what do you wait for? Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get all the latest updates. In today's video, I am going to show you the one and only 4 BHK and 5 BHK luxurious project. This project is located in Jubilee Hills area adjacent to Whisper Valley opposite to Aparnavan. This project has a configuration of 4 and 5 BHK. We have total 5 towers consisting of all 198 units in this project. This project is spread across 5 acres of land and we have minimum SFT of 3780 SFTs. This land is of 5 acres consisting of 5 towers, G plus 21 floors, total 198 units and the configurations are 4 and 5 BHK flats. So now let's begin the model flat. So this is a model flat and we are entering into the model flat now. If you can see, this is a drawing area. So this is a model flat for 4 BHK east facing flat. So you can see the drawing area and these are the Italian marbles. They have given a light brown and goldish color. So this is a TV unit, as you can see this. So this they have skillfully crafted this. So the partition which we are seeing is also made up of the Italian stone. So this is the drawing area. If you can see, this is very spacious and this is the living area. If you can see a wide balcony from this very huge window. You will be having a good view and also the very good ventilation in this balcony area. So just we are going into this balcony area. This is very spacious and it's very good ventilated and you can see a good view from this balcony. So this is a model flat of first floor. We have total G plus 21 floors. In each floor we are having only the 2 units. One is on the east facing and the other one is the west facing. So both the flats are on opposite corners. So we feel it as an individual house. So this is the puja room. You can see this puja room. So the architect is from Genesis. So they have designed very skillfully. So they have provided the small storage units here. If you can see, this is a wet kitchen. We have the 2 variants of kitchen in this. So dry kitchen and also the wet kitchen. So in this model flat we can see this wet kitchen with all the equipped things. So they are using all the latest technologies here. So we can design our kitchen accordingly. So these are exclusively the landlord share flats. If you are liking this project and quickly want a site visit, do contact the number mentioned in the description box. And you can see this is a storage unit. So they have given a huge storage area also. This is very spacious. So this is a dry kitchen and you can see the complete furnishing. So this is very simple and this superb color combination. The interiors are also very good. If you can see, this is a wet kitchen. So the dry part of the wet kitchen can be done in this wet kitchen area. So we are also having a good ventilation in this wet kitchen. If you can see, we are moving on to the utility area, and this is the utility or the wash area. So we are even having a good ventilation this side. They have provided the provisions for wash machine and also the dishwash bar. If we can see, this is a maid room or the servant room. So this is a servant room. So we can see a separate exit for this servant quarter. The servant quarter is given with an attached washroom. So this is a separate exit. So this can be one of the highlighted point here. So we have this separate exit only on east facing flat. So this is the model flat for east facing, and you can see the wash area, the wet kitchen. The total flat is having a very good ventilation and a very good view. The only best part of this is the project wherein provided with very less number of units in a huge area. This is of total 5-acre land and consisting of only 198 units. You can see this is the powdered area, powder room, and they have given the dining area. We will be having a good view from this dining area. You can see this dining area has been designed specially for this Italian marbles. It all depends upon our taste and also the design which we choose. If we can move on to the next master bedroom. So this is the first bedroom. We have the 4 bedrooms in this flat. All the 4 bedrooms have 4 attached washrooms and the common washroom. So this is the TV unit. If you can see, it's having a good ventilation. So this is the master bedroom. This master bedroom is given the wooden flooring. If you can move on further, we can see the balcony from this master bedroom. So this is the balcony. We can spend our time and have a good view. So this is the view from the master bedroom balcony. So we move on further. This is a closet, walk-in closet attached to washroom. So they are providing the complete unit with the glass partition also. So even the washrooms are very spacious. So if we can see, we are moving on to the balcony area. So this is the balcony. Further, we are moving on to the second bedroom. So this is the second bedroom. You can have an overall view of this. We are also having a balcony from second bedroom. So we had a balcony from master bedroom and also from this second bedroom, and also we have good view from this balcony. So this is the balcony. And the second washroom. The washrooms are all spacious with a glass partition. So this is the overall look of second bedroom. So we find lots of peace in this home. You can fill all the life with beautiful moments and memories. If we can move on further, we can see on to the left hand side the third bedroom, on right hand side fourth bedroom. So now we are entering into third bedroom. So this is the entrance for third bedroom. If you can see it, just adjacent to balcony. So we are having a walk-in closet, attached washroom, and very huge windows. So we have 2 windows in this bedroom. So in each and every floor the balcony varies according to the design. So we don't have a balcony in this third bedroom, but has a very good ventilation. So this is the attached washroom. As you can see, the partition, the glass partition. So even this washroom is also the spacious one. So this is the third bedroom, and now we move on to the next. So this is the fourth bedroom which we are seeing. Now we enter into the fourth bedroom. In fourth bedroom also you can see the opening to the balcony. So this is a common balcony for both drawing and also this fourth bedroom. So we have altogether 4 bedrooms, 4 attached washrooms, a drawing area, a living area, dining area, dry and wet kitchen, puja room, and also maid servant rooms. This is the fourth washroom. As you can see, this is also spacious and has the glass partition. So this all are designed skillfully, and the interiors have been designed very skillfully. So this is the overall look. Third bedroom, the balcony, fourth bedroom. So we are having a very spacious hall area. So this can be designed accordingly. Thank you for watching.